These are the stories of the Venice Beach Bird Patrol.
We're cool guys.
Knock on wood, mate.
Biology, chemistry. I'm just always trying to learn, you know.
Yeah.
Don't you listen to podcasts? What do you listen to?
I mean, I mostly listen to. Oh no.
Hey, look who it is. Hey!
Oh no.
Daisy! Oh, Jock and Daisy!
Hi!
How you doing?
Fancy seeing you here.
How goes it?
This is our alley.
Hey there, come on
Hey.
now.
I'm just kidding. I'm
Great to
teasing
see
you.
you.
Hi.
This is great.
Yeah, let's
You
talk
look
later.
good,
Let's go.
Daisy. You look good too,
You look
Jock.
so good, Daze. Jock.
Yeah, you remember Jock.
Yeah, he's the coolest guy I've ever
Cool,
met.
Jock.
I was telling you about this article on invertebrate. I was listening to a podcast talking about an article on
Oh,
invertebrate.
Daisy, you and your podcast.
Yeah. I guess.
Rick.
What? What is
Oh my
it?
God.
What is it?
Is it-
Constable Carter, this is Venice Beach Bird Patrol.
Is-
Constable Carter.
Is it a prank?
No, mate, shh. Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. We'll be there in 3 minutes. Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Yes, miss. We'll be there soon. All right, thank you so much. We got our first call, mate. Westminster Dog Park. There's been a disturbance,
All
mate.
right.
Let's go.
All right.
wow.
Great to see
Daze,
you.
we have an actual call.
yeah.
We have a real call this time, Daisy.
Okay.
All right, I'm coming. All right, I'm coming. Bye, Daisy. I really miss you so much.
Wait, Rick! Rick, your mustache!
I'm not Brendan. I'm Catman. I'm Catman.
Easy, guy. Hey.
Look what you're
So,
doing.
you
You're
get the
riling up the
dogs.
dogs, mate.
Hey,
Brendan, mate.
My name's Brandon. I wasn't always a cat man. I used to be a normal guy just like everybody else. But then, I don't know, I had a dream where I was floating through space and there was a giant cat with a huge mouth that was open, and I was about to die in space, and he let me in, and the warmth of his mouth kept me alive for centuries and centuries in a dream. And it was at that moment I knew that I was no longer the same person. I was something else, transformed into something greater.
I'm a cat man. All right, easy, mate.
Calm it
Easy,
down,
mate.
all right, mate? Calm
Calm.
it down.
Take a breath.
All right.
Take a breath now.
Great. Now
Let's
we can
talk.
talk.
Let's talk, mate.
When did you start this?
These dogs pissing and shitting everywhere and barking at the cats all around here. Someone needs to stand up for them.
The cats, the feline cats.
Yeah, mate.
And I don't know, something inside me has just changed. Now I'm
You
here.
gotta promise, Brendan, to settle down. You can't come here and harass all the dogs, mate.
I wasn't trying to hurt anybody.
It's all right, mate.
Where's your mustache, Rick?
Yeah, where is your mustache?
Oh, mate. Are you kidding me? I think I lost it. Maybe it's back at the boardwalk.
Oh, no.
Ah, mate.
All right, what are you doing later?
Later?
Yeah.
My metal band kicked me out. So I'm out of a gig, so I'm gonna go play the boardwalk for some beer money. I could use a drummer.
Yeah.
I got plans, mate.
He's got a second date.
Yeah,
Second date?
Yeah.
that's right.
With who? With Daisy?
No, not with Daisy, mate. There's other girls out there.
Well, congratulations, man.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, mate. So look,
Stop harassing all the
stop
dogs.
harassing the dogs, Brendan. Just
All right. I'll
have,
take it easy.
Just
I'll-
have fun, mate.
All right.
You guys heading out?
Yeah, I'll see you later this afternoon. Text me.
I love you, Rick.
All right, mate. Take it easy.
I love you, Rick.
All right, mate.
Love you.
I love you, Carter.
Love you, Catman.
I love Bird Patrol. This song's for you! Bird Patrol!
Hey, safety first on that bird! Oh, whatever. Here we go.